This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse, downtown, walking distance to everything. 1 bedroom/1 bath. Gorgeous hardwood floors. Beautiful home converted into apartments. Parking? The $1,200 per month includes utilities. $30 per month for trash and washer and dryer use. $50 processing fee for each adult. Tenants responsible for general maintenance, filters, light bulbs. Tenants responsible for any small repairs totaling up to $100.